Where does the name for Aberteifi, or in English, Cardigan, come from? So today I'm in Ceredigion and I've been working with the Wales Coast Path to explore place names between Aberteifi and Aberteifi, or Cardigan. Let's get into the name.
To understand the name, we need to break it down. The Welsh name, Aberteifi, is straightforward. Aber means river mouth, and Teifi is the name of the river, so Aberteifi means simply the mouth of the river Teifi. The English name, Cardigan, is similarly straightforward. Whilst the earliest records from the 12th and 13th centuries show forms of Aberteifi, Cardigan as a name also appears around the same time, alongside early references to the developing Norman town. One popular suggestion is that Cardigan might come from Cardigan or Cardigan, meaning the fort of Dugan or the fort of Cardigan, Dugan being supposedly an Irish chieftain and Cardigan a Welsh king. However, according to Place Names of Cardiganshire, these explanations are not supported by the historical forms of the name, which show neither as likely. Instead, most scholars see Cardigan as an Anglo-Norman adaptation of the existing Welsh name, Ceredigion, the name of the wider region. This kind of reshaping is common elsewhere in Wales, where English and Norman speakers adapted existing area place names rather than creating entirely new ones, like Kidwelly, Pembroke and Brecon. The town itself has a long and complex history. It was founded in 1093 during the Norman expansion into West Wales by Roger de Montgomery. In the following century, Rhys ap Gruffydd, the king of Deheubarth, made many attempts to capture the town from the Normans, finally succeeding in 1165. He went on to rebuild the castle in stone in 1171.
Now, Aberteifi, Cardigan, is well known for being the location of the earliest recorded forerunner of the National Eisteddfod. It was hosted here in 1176 by Rhys ap Gruffydd.
But by the 1200s it was again lost to the Normans. By the medieval period, Cardigan had become one of the most important ports in Wales, with a busy shipbuilding industry and extensive trade along the Teifi. Over time, however, the river silted up and the port declined, leaving the historic town and highlights of the coastal path we see today.
So the name literally means the mouth of the river Teifi, the mouth of the flowing river, or it means the settlement in Ceredigion. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe. And if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon. The link's in my bio. Diolch. Have a good one.